Hey everybody, this is Hayden with Trade In Tech, and in this video I want to talk to you about creating a marketplace listing. Now, one of the coolest things about tradeintech.com is we have a full marketplace where you can buy and sell and collect payment via PayPal, and we do not charge any fees for that. And so you can actually go here and you can see all of the types of products that we have available. Now, this marketplace is brand new when I'm shooting this right now, so we don't have very many things listed. You'll be able to see under the categories here how they are organized. We can break down iPhone and all the specific categories. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how you can set up your own marketplace listing as well. Now, we've made it extremely simple. In order to set this up, you just go to Add button right here and add a new listing. You can list your item for sale right here. You can select the specific category, and then you'll also have a subcategory in which you can select as well. List the price that you have it for sale, a short description, as well as the full description here. So you'll be able to say anything about the specs, about the condition of the type of devices that you are selling. Make sure to include all the details on the return and warranty as well in order to make sure that your customers are satisfied and understand everything they're purchasing. Now, you have this option here to enable instant payment, and what that means is you have the option to select PayPal as an option. Otherwise, members will just be able to directly contact you and you guys can do private deals together. So in order to enable an instant payment, you'll select enable here, and you'll actually be able to click this little here button, and it'll open up a new window where you can add your PayPal email address. Now, this will enable you to collect payments in your PayPal account. You can also select here that when the item's sold, it will be marked as sold and not listed. From this point on, you can update the city in which you're located and your zip code as well, and then you can submit the listing. When you submit it, it will display on the marketplace here, and you can see all of your listings, the price, everything that you have to offer as well. People can then go to this section. I'll show you, for example, under the marketplace here, we can go to this and they can contact you directly. And if you have a PayPal option, it'll be added here to where they can view PayPal payments as well. You can go to contact seller here. You can send them any message you want related to this. Now, anytime that you make a purchase, you can go under the invoices here and view all of the items that you have purchased. You can also view your listings, your friends' listings, and the expired listings as well. Guys, this is the marketplace. It's as simple as it can possibly be to set up. If you want to get started, just go on to tradeintech.com and sign up. You can start selling on here for free. We have many new members since creating this video, so there's a lot more to show you once you'll log on. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned something new, and I'll talk to you later.